I gcóir Féile Snagcheoil, the Cork City Jazz Festival, agus tá an atmosphere letrach.
We are the Ono Jazz Band from the Netherlands. We're delighted to come to the Guinness Cork Jazz Festival for the third time in a row. We love it.
Gach fion hagan na mílta daoine anseo grí Cathair Chorcaí I gcóir Féile Snagcheoil or the Cork Jazz Festival. Agus táimid snú go mór leis an bhriain seo.
Hi, I'm Sinead Dunphy, the Festival Director of the Guinness Cork Jazz Festival. You're looking at maybe over 80 venues in total, like this City Hall as our main venue, the Opera House, Triskel, Firkin Crane, the Everyman, Leathanaigh Place, Live at St. Luke's, and tons and tons of pubs and restaurants and hotels.
David Amachán is sound up. Le fada an lá bhí sais jazz tradiisiúnta I gceist. Ach le déanaí tá an jazz tradiisiúnta fósam agus tá sé an láidir ach tá sé sí in aice le ceol domhanda freisin. So tá ceoltóirí den sco ó gach cuine den domhain anseo le an féidir.
A great festival, lots of good people, lots of great bands, and they, we've just got a good festival. Yeah.